Puff pastry, one of my favorite things to get creative with filling up, and you can also get creative with how you fold these, roll these, twist these. Either way, they're always so good in the Blackstone E-Series Pizza Oven Air Fryer. Let me show you a quick and simple ham and cheese puff pastry, Pop-Tart we'll call it. No, not Pop-Tart, Hot Pocket. Either way, they're pretty much the same thing, and you're gonna love these for a quick lunch. So let me show you how. I love using this puff pastry. You can fill it with anything you want, from cheesesteak filling to any kind of griddled meats like chicken cheesesteaks or sausage and peppers. Today we've got a simple ham and cheese Hot Pocket. We'll take our puff pastry and roll it out using a cup because we're not finding my rolling pin today, Sean. It's one of those days. We're gonna roll it out just a little bit thinner than it comes and then cut this into 4 squares. From there, we'll do one side with honey Dijon mustard. The other side is gonna get some Dukes Mayo because it's got that twang. Then layer it up with some Cooper Sharp American cheese, my favorite melty cheese. On top of that, some of our ham, fold it up. Now we need an egg wash to seal this together. Into a bowl, we've got 1 large egg, a little splash of water, whisk this together. Then we'll get our air fryer turned on, preheat it to 400 degrees, grab our tray that I've lined with some parchment paper. We'll slide these up onto that parchment paper, a brush of our egg wash, then put our tops with our Dukes on it, using a fork to seal the edges all the way around. Some more egg wash on top. We're sprinkling on to season this with everything bagel seasoning, which is one of my favorites. A little bit of dried parsley for a pop of color. And then these are gonna go into the air fryer to start spinning. We'll go for about 15 minutes and see how that does. It might need less time, so we'll keep our eye on it, making sure to not add too much parchment paper, because clearly I did. So we'll rip a little bit of this off. Sean, these are looking so good. Take a look at these. Look how big these puffed up. I told you, puff pastry literally is one of my favorite things to play with. Fill them up with whatever you want. Savory, sweet. Sean, I cannot believe you've never cooked with puff pastry. You're gonna love this.
These look so good.
I know. We've got to let them cool off though, just for a few seconds. I mean, look how thick they got. Let's let them cool off for a second and then I'll show you the inside. Time to cut these in half. We should really let these rest so that everything doesn't ooze out, but we didn't overstuff these this time, so it's okay. Plus, I can't wait to take a bite. These are seriously so good. I cannot wait to see what you guys pick to fill yours with. Make it something fun. Meat, vegetarian, go Jess Farron style. You guys are gonna love these and I cannot wait to see, so be sure to post a picture. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty and I cannot wait to see you playing with some puff pastry at home. Funny, that tastes. Look, layers of just goodness.